The Aperol Spritz is a refreshing and popular Italian cocktail known for its bright orange hue and slightly bitter taste. It's a perfect pre-dinner drink, often enjoyed during the aperitivo hour. You will need the following ingredients: 3 parts Prosecco. Use a dry Prosecco for the best balance. 2 parts Aperol. Aperol is an Italian aperitif made from gentian, rhubarb, and cinchona, among other ingredients. 1 part soda water. You can adjust the amount to taste. To garnish orange slice. A fresh orange slice adds a nice touch of citrus flavor. To fill ice cubes. Use plenty of ice to keep your drink chilled. For equipment you will need wine glass, bar spoon. Here are the instructions. Fill the wine glass with ice cubes. Pour in 3 parts Prosecco. Add 2 parts Aperol. Top off with 1 part soda water. Gently stir with a bar spoon to combine the ingredients. Garnish with a fresh orange slice. The Aperol Spritz gained international fame in 2010 when the Campari Group launched a marketing campaign that popularized it as a refreshing summer drink.